What's up, traders? 3 trades today, 2 winners, 1 break even. Let's get to it. All right, traders, real quick, Friday night live stream tonight, 9 o'clock Eastern. Be there. We're going to be talking about the strategy that we're using. It's pretty much the same strategy we've always been using, but it has a little bit more leeway, but we'll talk about that tonight. We're just going to jump right into it. No live trades today. They were all kind of boring, to be quite honest. Starting here with IOVA. This one we found a nice little daily area there. Let's pull it up. You can see a bunch of resistance sitting here at this 32 level. So pulled it up, made a nice little extension right to it. Decided to start it short, looking to add through that area if it wanted to extend. Did not. Put an order out down here, a little under half of the actual move, and it actually continued past that. But pretty happy with the single entry getting that much of a pullback. I think we took close to 75 cents on that one. Let's see. In at 86, out at 25. So what's that? 61 cents. So can't complain about that. Then down here to NTNX. This was our second trade. This one was a little bit different. We knew this was on earnings. We were using the highs from when the earnings came out yesterday in the after hours, and it made a nice little extension off the bottom here. And basically, we were just kind of playing the double top with an entry. Tried to go a little bit through that, and it ultimately failed. Came down. You could just feel that support forming, especially right here. You can see the previous resistance, and it was starting to be used as support. So we took our profits there, and it ended up being the right call. As you can see, this thing has continued very strong ever since. And then our last trade was IQ, and this was our break-even trade. Nice little move. This thing, I didn't realize it was in a gap fill. If we want to take a quick look at the daily, you'll see we're actually in a gap fill here. So I got in because of the extension, and then I pulled up the daily, and I didn't quite like the daily. And also, it was a 300 and some mil float. So just a bunch of things that made me not like it. But we still attempted to break down. I had an order sitting down here at 2015. Previous resistance I had just sitting around here 20, just that little bit of consolidation there. I mean, if you really wanted to use this down here, you could, but I was really using the one up a little further, just looking for about half that move, which it did eventually give you on this little push through, but it really found support here at that 2030 area. So once it started to bounce off of there, I decided to take it. And as you can see, it did dump through right after that, but it got bought right back up. I still had it up, and it was such a quick move. Not sure I would have gotten any of this anyway. And like I said, our order was down here at 15, so it obviously wouldn't have got filled. But that ended up being the right move getting out, because as you can see, this thing has been grinding higher ever since. So that was all I got. 3 trades, like I said, basically break even here on IQ, IOVA, and NTNX. Those were 2 winners. So not a bad way to end the week. We're being nice and consistent. I like that. So we're going to talk about that more tonight, being consistent and hopefully scaling up. Not next week, maybe not even this month, or next month, I should say, the month of September. But it's all about consistency. We're going to work on that first. And yeah. So like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate the support. If I don't catch you tonight, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys Monday morning. Peace.